This is problem number 3 from the June 2017 Algebra Regents exam. In this question, we're trying to find out which one of these four graphs represents the equation y equals the square root of x minus 2. I think one of the easiest ways to figure this out is to create a table of values for some x and y points here, and try and figure out and plot the points, and then we'll be able to figure out which one of these is correct. So, for example, let's start with an x value of 0. So to find out what y is, we're going to take the square root of x minus 2, which in this case is 0 minus 2, or negative 2. And you can't square root a negative number, so basically there will be no point. It just doesn't exist when x equals 0. When x equals 1, we're going to run into the same problem because 1 minus 2 is negative 1. And we can't square root a negative number, so that's not going to work as well. So immediately we can tell, well, there's only one correct option at this point, because you can see this here, here, and here, where x is equal to 0 in all three of those graphs, a y value does exist. So just like that, we've ruled out those three. And I will go a little bit further just to prove it even more. If x equals 2, to find out y, we're going to take the square root of 2 minus 2, which is 0, and the square root of 0 is just 0. So this corresponds to the point 2, 0, which is, of course, right there. And if we went a little bit further, let's go maybe if when x is 4. Then we'll be doing the square root of 4 minus 2, which is root 2, which is 1.4 something, I think. And we can see that that does in fact happen right there. And we could go further, but I think you get the idea. I mean, the big giveaway in this question is the fact that when x is equal to 0 or 1, there is no value of y, so those points just don't exist. And you can see that that must be option number 4. All right, I hope that was helpful, and thanks for visiting JD's Regents Preparation.